too sure what they're gonna put here, but they started demolishing what was here. Over here on Dixwel Street, the street that never gets paved. This is old-fashioned milk crates. I don't know if you guys ever remember those when you were kids. They probably don't make those anymore. At least I haven't seen them. The hood milk crates. Some of those could be collector's items. Not too sure. You find one in mint condition. Alright, we'll keep an eye on what they're gonna put up here. Right now they're basically demolishing whatever is or was there. A quick look at this street that hasn't been paved in about 10 years.
39, you're all set. Thank you.
Probably won't get paid for another 10 years too. We'll find out where all the money went for fixing the street. Alright guys, I'm headed up out of here. Just want to show you a little